Good morning, students. Once again, we are back with the class of physical education. We have started the chapter of children and physical education schools for the children with special needs for learning different. We have studied what was disorder and what is disabilities. Under the disorders, we have studied what is ADHD, SPD, etc. Now, last two what we mean that is OODD, oppositional defiant disorder, and OCD. Obsessive compulsive disorder. These are the disorders which are remaining in our course. Okay. SPD over, after that comes ADHD over. We have completed almost every disorder. We have completed almost every disorder. Now, we are studying last two, that is ODD and OCD. So, what is ODD? Oppositional defiant disorder. Defiant disorder. ODD refers to oppositional defiant disorder. A child with this type of disorder will show a pattern of anger. These are some of the symptoms, but these are some of the qualities. These are some of the tendencies seen in the child who is in an individual who is suffering. He some pattern of anger, irritation, arguing, and disobedient behavior. He will be arguing. He will be arguing with you. He will be irritating a factor, and he will be having a lot of anger. If these are the qualities that you can see in an individual, in a child. That child is suffering from ODD, and definite disorder. Media students. This behavior is directed at adults and other authority figures. It can be said that all children show some of the other type of, you can say, conflicts. Yeah, anger is also is there. Generally, everyone is there. But when the case comes to ODD, it is up to the extreme level. When this case comes to the ODD character, this characteristics is the extreme level. Everyone is having little see, emotions are there everywhere. Will when you are right, someone is wrong, or when you are wrong, somebody is right, then also there will be a little bit of argument. There will be a little bit of discussion. Like if you win the match, if you win the match, you will be smile, the other one will be having a lot of anger. I lost. These are some of the emotions are individuals are there that emotions are tend to have in an individual. If you are not able, if you are not getting emotions inside you, that means you are not a normal. You are not a normal human. So emotions are there that have to be inside a human being. But when it goes to the extreme level, that means when the angerness goes to the extreme level, argumentation goes to the extreme level, that means a child is suffering from ODD. When it is up to the extreme level, that means you are having the disorder that is opposition defiant. Okay. Now they become they cause conflicts and unhappiness and are therefore unhappy and difficult to please. They will be having conflicts, they will not be happy. What will happen if they are not happy among, they are not happy with others also? Who is not happy with others? Who is not happy with himself? जो खुद से खुश नहीं है दुनिया से क्या खुश होगा? Okay, so who is not happy with himself? What is the chance that he will not be happy with others? So symptoms of ODD. Now these are symptoms of ODD. A short temper, a short temper, tendency to argue, fight, and disobey the rules. Tendency to fight, argue, and disobey the rules. What he will like to annoy the people. He will like to that okay, people should be annoyed with him. Because of him, the people should feel annoyed. So, a liking for annoying people. Tendency to blame others and show open hostility without provocation. Most important, tendency to blame others. I have not done this. This person is responsible for this. You can say that for not being done. He will not be saying, he will not put the blame on him. He will put the blame on others. Okay. So inability to negotiate or compromise. If you are arguing and if the argument is up, what over there? Argumentation is to the next argumentation is the external what will happen that he will not be having compromise with not compromise with he will not compromise with him. Okay, he will be hateful and revengeful. Frustration is there that is frequent. He will be having lot of frustration inside him. Because of frustration, lot of arguing, lot of anger. If you are keeping the frustration inside you, what will happen? Slowly, slowly, earlier I told you, if you are keeping the emotion inside you, chances are there that you are not sharing the emotion. Thus, that will lead to putting a lot of stress on them. Stress means depression. Your next things come then that way and depression can lead to depression. And if frustration that is frequent and prolonged. After that comes impulsive in action. Impulsive in action. More, more important toward concentration. There will be no concentration inside. There will be less concentration in that particular person. Low self-esteem, poor social skills. Like if you're regarding if you are dealing with civil education, he will not be able to, he will not be able to, he will not be able to they will not playing the game in a fair condition, with the rules and regulations and sportsmanship. Okay, so that means he will not show the quality that are required to live in the society. He will not show the quality that are required to live in the society that has to be followed by the society. After that, he will be pessimistic and negative. He will be having negative thoughts. He will be showing more negative thoughts. After that comes what are the causes? What are the causes of ODD? Again, it comes almost same genetics. Neurology and environment. Genetics yesterday also we have learned other disorders also. What you are getting from your parents, what you getting things from inside from your parents, that is you are getting it from your parents. ODD can be inherited. It can also be developed in children suffering from psychological disorder. Those parents or those family members who are suffering from psychological disorder, chances are that these children will be also deformities. Who are having family members, if they are having deformity, personality disorder, anxiety disorders, these are some of the mental disorders. These are some of the psychological disorders that family members can possess. If they are possessing such type of psychological disorders, chances are that a child can have ODD. After it comes neurology, again the presence of abnormal amount of neurotransmitters in the brains. Abnormal amount, they are abnormal, they generally there is from neurotransmitters there in the brain. There is abnormal cancer that because cancer that can suffer from environment. Environmental factors such as unhappy home is violence between the members. अगर घर का माहौल if that home is not generally what we say it affect the children. It affect the children. If there is violence in the home, if there is argument in the home, and generally say okay, there is no happiness in the home, what will happen? Chances are there that the child will suffer from this particular disease. That is TB. So all come under environment. Environmental factors such as unhappy home in which lot of political violence between the members, social isolation outside of the home. You are not living with each other. You are living inside your home, not talking to someone else. You are just happy inside your body. You are not talking about what is not happening. You know, so be cooperative, be ready to help, mingle with others, and only you get the best out of it. And then you will be ready to give the best to the people. But if you are keeping among yourself, nobody is your health also. So that means social isolation outside of the home, poverty, general lack of discipline. Discipline should be there. It should not be the after that, neglectful of the parents. If the parents are neglecting, environment is very play a big role. Parents are neglecting, parents are not listening. What will happen? You will be angry with your parents also and with yourself also. मैं कहाँ पैदा हो गया हूँ? Here I am born. Nobody listens to me, and I have to be happy with myself. Even if the servant is not listening to you, the family members are. They should be someone. They should be someone to bring out the emotions so that you can feel happy, you can feel sad. If you're not able to make the emotion outside from inside of from the body, what will happen? You're keeping those emotions inside you, and it is hurting you. Slowly and gradually, it is hurting you. The later journey, it will harm you. After that comes obsessive compulsive disorder. Obsessive compulsive disorder. Class disorder. What is obsessive compulsive disorder? Means the obsession of thoughts. Obsessive compulsive disorder is obsession of thoughts and compulsion of action. Obsession of thoughts and compulsion of actions. OCD is an actually an anxiety disorder. Anxiety disorder which increase the worry in person's life. A child supposed to have only one among the two. It might obviously thoughts will include fear of germs and contamination, hostile behavior, okay, particular about specific order. After that, fear of embarrassment. अगर ये भी सब fear of embarrassment. ये क्यों हुआ? Okay, you will be more anxious. So generally, it is the anxiety disorder where you are more anxious towards your actions. You have to perform that actions. What happens? It is an obsession of thoughts, but compulsion of actions. You have to perform, but you are more worried about what will happen. You are more worried, and automatically it will lead to OCD. Okay, so you are more anxious about the actions. You are thinking a lot. You are having a lot of fear inside, whether of the germs, whether of the contamination. पानी पीऊंगा, it can lead to certain disease. पानी साफ नहीं है, ये बीमारी हो सकती है. So this type of anxiety inside you. अरे ये हो गया. These are the you can say directly angst disorder lead to anxiety. Disorder lead to fear of getting dirty. Fear of getting dirty. What are the symptoms? Just again, what are the symptoms? A child having will demonstrate symptoms. Clinically, he is more worried about his cleanness. He is more worried about for example, washing hands again and again. Thinking about हाथ गंदे हो गए, whether the hands are clean. But what is because of the anxiety, because of the anxiety level is so much, what he will think, हाथ गंदे again, okay, let's go and wash. Once he will come and say, again it has become dirty. So anxiety level is not too much. Thinking about cleanliness, that means washing hands again. Overly conscious of arranging things. Overly conscious about arranging things. He is more conscious again and again for arranging particular things. For example, repeating the household settings again and again. Repeating the household settings. He will set the household settings, but he will not be satisfied. He will not be satisfied. Again, he will change it to again he will set it again. Again, after few minutes or few time, sometime what he will say, suited. Again, he will set it. So overly conscious about arranging things. After that comes repeated action of checking. Repeated action of checking. For example, checking of logs again and again. Checking of logs whether there is log, whether door is locked, but what will happen? He will check the door again and again. So what it is repeated action of checking. Performing superstitious actions repeatedly and getting relief after performing superstitious actions. He will be what is it? Superstitious. Performing superstitious actions repeatedly. अंधविश्वास वाले काम करने के बाद then only he will be satisfied. Then only he will be satisfied. Performing superstitious actions repeatedly and getting relief after performing. Getting relief after performing actions. Counting while doing normal tasking, he doing simple task. Then also he will be counting again whether it is up to the whether it is up to the number I expect. There will no need to count, but then also he will be counting. So counting while doing normal task. Obsessive about maintaining order. Obsessive about maintaining order. So these are some of the symptoms. First and last, thinking about feeling more irritated, feeling okay, my hands have become dirty. So what he will do? Again, let's go after some thinking. Simply nothing has happened, but then also you think his hands have become dirty. What after hands become dirty, what he will do? He will go and wash his hands. Overly conscious about that means repeating the household setting again and again. Repeating the household setting the household settings again and again. He will not be satisfied. Repeated action of checking. Repeated action of checking is checking the lock whether the door is locked or not, locks are locked or not, what will happen. Simply it is the exact level in here that particular child the human being because of which is which is making that individual do this particular action. Most important, performing superstitious action repeatedly and getting satisfaction and getting relief after performing and getting relief after performing those actions. He doesn't know he fast, but how will be satisfied? How will you be happy once he will perform those actions? Once he will perform those actions, he will be happy. He will get a sense of relief, right? Counting while doing counting while doing tasks and tasks. Obsessive about maintaining. Obsessive about maintaining what? Now last topic is there. Causes of OCD. So what is the particular disorder I am like? OCD belongs to anxiety disorder. It belongs to anxiety disorder. It is the disorder of anxiety. What are the symptoms we are studying? What are the symptoms we are studying? Now, what are the causes? It will be dealing in our next class. Okay, after that, this chapter will be only one last topic will be that will be dealing now next. Okay, dear students, take care, be safe. We will meet in our next class.